Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you will get all the video notifications. So please do not forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting one very easy, quick sandwich recipe. It's Veg Mayo Sandwich. Either you can serve this in breakfast or in your kids' tiffin box or even for a filling evening snacks. So quickly check out the ingredient list. And now let's start. So first, in a mixing bowl, I'm adding one small bowl of finely chopped onions, and then I'm adding one small chopped red capsicum, one small bowl of grated carrots, one small bowl of chopped green capsicum, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, and 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. As I was running short of mayonnaise, so here I have mixed 2 types of mayonnaise, but you can add only one type of mayonnaise also. So I'm adding further 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, salt as per taste, and now give a very good mix. Now mix everything very nicely, and the veg mayonnaise stuffing is ready now. And now let's take the bread slices. With the help of a sharp knife, just trim the edges of the bread like this. And now repeat the process with the rest bread slices. You can keep these edges and you can make breadcrumbs. And now apply some melted butter on the bread slices. Now repeat the process with all the bread slices. And now you need to spread the mayonnaise stuffings on the bread. Now spread the mayonnaise mixture on the bread. Now once it is done, put some cucumber slices on the top of the bread. So like this, cover the sandwich with the cucumber. And now prepare the sandwich by placing the other bread and press gently. And here the delicious Veg Mayo sandwich is ready. Cut into slices if you like and then serve it as a filling evening snacks item or even pack them in your kids' lunchbox. I hope you like today's recipe. If you like this recipe, then please like this video, share this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.